A small instruction on how to reload the default parameters into your TA slider. Start by connecting via HyTune to the dongle. Scan devices, connect to the proper dongle, and then the identifier will appear with the screen of your current TA slider. You can check the current settings, but we don't want to change anything here, so we go back to the main screen. We close without saving, and then we connect by clicking on identifier, and on the bottom you see here reset actuator to factory settings. After clicking that, the HyTune will tell you that it has been correctly done, and then we can go back to the main screen. If we would now click on the TA slider image again, we would see the current settings. What are the default settings? They are always mentioned in our technical data sheets. Here you see, for example, for calibration, for force, for stroke limitation, what the current settings are, always depending on the type of slider, of course. Always good to check the technical data sheet